Woo! Pangmata na mo! It's the morning, bless and love! Good morning! Bohe, bohe! Balanse! Magpasalamat ko, buhi pa ko, bay! Layo na kay kog naabtan akong tsinelas, buhi pa akong tsinelas! Yes, I! Bless and love! Sometimes we get blinded, no? Ginaisip nyo ba? Paminsan rin, maisip ko rin na sa man mga comments, ay puros raman ni kaloko, puros raman ni gikatawan si brother, anak bay, pero the actuality of this bay, kaya almost naikot ko na ang Mindanao, no? Bay, I'm highly respected, brother. And maybe in some way rin, hindi ko rin masabi ko rin na I know that it should be like that because I know myself by, I respect myself that much by, to the point na it already manifesting, no, na ganyan rin ang self-respect ko, sarili ko, and the people also treats me, no. Yan, social media, part lang yan sa facade by, this is just a facade I'm creating sometimes also to hype by, para mag-spread out pa yung words ko, but the actuality of that by, there's more than that by, no. That's why you need to have self-respect para marespetoan kayo. Yung comments, isa lang yan, selos lang yan maybe, or pangpa-hype lang rin nila yan, no? Bless and love. Brothers and sister, good morning. Na ato ang chief dire na tigbantay sa atong matrix habang ga-travel ko, naagya po'y tigbantay sa matrix dire sa Davao. So, salamat sir sa pagbantay sa matrix dire. Kamusta man ang matrix dire?
Okay lang, matambag ng katawhan nga magpa-bilin nga safety. Labi na karon nga ulan-ulan, may lang ko sa padagan. Ampo lang tas Ginoong safety permente atong pamilya o pagantag taas ka ni buhi o mayong grasya.
Okay. Mayo kayo ni si Chip Bay. Bless and love si mo, Chip. Amping. We get easily attached, no, with feelings and relationship, and I understand that by, cause even me na maybe I could say na successful na ako sa galawan ko. I have my own movement by, but there are times by, no, we crave for that kinds of feelings, no. And what happens by when we are not in our self, when we are not creating, manifesting our dreams by, we get easily attached more to the outside people, trying to, you know, because we feel like, maybe I get successful by pag makuha ko yun. And maybe, but probably rin hindi mo yun makuha by the fact that that's your state of being, no? So, I still understand that by, because I even feel that sometimes though, but that's why you need to create more, to be on your flow, and just be like a magnet by, na it just attracts what you need to attract. You don't need to chase validation, chase relationship. Bless and love. Hello brothers and sisters, good morning. I'm back in my hometown. Just wanna share to you na, you know, I had 2 weeks of almost adventure every day, traveling, and nakita mo yung mga contents ko, grabe ka-enjoy by, no? And that's why I always try to push out contents na traveling, kasi it opens up more of my creativity, no? Perspective, creativity, you don't know, unexpected things happening, and that's what I like about life. And hope you can also have your excitement like that. But now I still have responsibility here, respond to things, but excited for more. Bless and love. I would like to thank you pala sa mga people who I met along my journey while traveling this past 2 weeks, and helped me, no, accompanied me, especially sino pa ba, sila Maria D, the mayors in Cagayan, the mayor in Bohol, the municipalities that have passed through, Bohol Car Rentals, sila, and madami pa iba, no? Sila Marilu Resort. I really enjoyed my travels, and I hope to travel more soon on other places, lalo na yung mga Bisaya Tagalog here in Mindanao, because every school na halos lahat na nadaanan ko by na mga Mindanao, no, ma-hype talaga sila, mag-enjoy sila sa content ko, and yun yung gusto ko, na spread out pa more, connect more to the locals, no, not just here in the internet but also be there physically on your location para we connect, we vibrate high. Bless and love.